Anyone know what's this?
I wonder why they were wrapped in
Testing
black
area?
plastics.
No, this is a golden sample.
The what?
Golden sample. Golden
purple?
sample for woofer.
The perfect ones.
Every models we need to have the golden sample. The golden sample, the purpose is to make sure we have the measurement for the QC guys. We also have the standard to measure our testing system. You know, the testing system also need to be standardized for a certain time. Maybe after half a year, you need some standard to make sure the test machine working properly. So this is the golden sample. Why is that blocked by the the black bag? Because they need to UV resistant.
Okay.
Yes. So this golden sample every certain time, for example, like every year, we need updates.
Pala daw nila ito, mga
This
boss.
need to be updated,
Kaya daw pala
rechoose the golden
pinalot nila
sample.
yan. Para daw maiwasan yung mga kamupan. Pero nahihilang ka pala doon.
That shot. The magnet has no the magnet only charge it. You can you have the magnet. You have the magnet. It's different.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
This is some electricity.
I see.
Have some big coil.
Okay.
So every woofer is 100% test. And that is also a test station.
Okay.
Dito, pinuputol yung mga exhaust na wire. Okay. Then,
Show Marlon. Show Marlon.
Let's show how
No magnet is
no magnet yet. Okay? Hindi pa siya nadikit. Ito naman yung meron na to. To. Oh, yan na, nadikit na. Meron na.
Subukan mo nga dito, Marlon.
Dito wala pa. Okay, kasi mahirap nga namang gawin na magnetize na. Minsan nagkikipag-away ka sa magnet pag nadikit sa bakal. Ayan. Pag naka-assemble na, tsaka pa lang siya i-charge doon.
yun, wala pang wala pang
Yes, here we have some pre-works for the paper coil. For example, we do this. This is for the cable. There's 1-2 cable from here. So we do some these works before assembly. All the work happen here.
So these cones are made here.
Not made here. So this is somehow also from the sub-suppliers. Just we do some work like this kind of details.
Pang MU for MU models.
MU408. 401.
a 401. But wouldn't it be the same kind of woofers across the 408, 401, Different. Maybe tonal differences. But the size is the same.
That's the same. Different. Q04 on the 405.
Kahit ganito kaliit may ventilation siya, no? Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganyang kaliit may ventilation.
Oo. Para kasi yan para hindi uminit agad yung
Mhm.
market. Lalabas yung init niya eh. Kaya may butas yung market. Ito. The purpose ng chain is to remove the static electricity of our body.
Okay. Kasi may chain curtain sila eh.
Kasi galing na kami sa baba.
I thought if there's an employee who is not working well, let him pass it.
These are amps.
So this is a amplifier packing area. When the amplifier ready, processor ready, so after QC check, they came to here. So this is package. So here's the QC test station for all the active motors. So the sound, so the performance, the quality will be 100% checked.
No, it's not.
Ito yung kagaya din nung nasa baba na ibang
May digital display na eh. Pwede i-reveal? Pwede.
Yan, kasi B3 na ang ako niyan. B3 na siya.
Tanongin mo sila, baka gusto nila yan.
Oh, gusto nyo ba na dali natin sa Pinas to? Ito ang model, oh. Portable speaker siya, battery powered. Na I think portable.
May mixer na.
May built-in mixer. Kasi pag sinabing portable, may battery siya. Para siyang yung Mackie Go. Okay?
Also they need
Sinusubo yung mismo. Yung module.
say you have for the active motors. This guy is taken from the machine. Input, output,
I see that a lot.
Pino-QC pa pagdating dito.
Ganun ka, kabosisi. Ano pa lang yan, mga module pa lang yan.
Is digital, the power supply is toroidal, but the amplifier section.
Ito yung mga isa sa nagpapabigat sa mga Beta 3. Yung kanyang transformer, which is very reliable naman sa mabababang voltahe. So, yan ang isa sa dahilan. These are N15A na mga module din.
Bibigyan ng mga loadan niya namin. Dami load. How long do they expose the amp?
So the different power, different products will be different hours, different time. Something like 2 hours or 4 hours. Yes.
This room gets very hot, right?
Yeah, very hot.
Because of the
Yes,
dummy
yes.
load.
Yeah, dummy loading getting very hot.
Dito mainit eh.
Burn test.
Dummy load. So, burn test yan.
Medyo mainit dito, mainit.
Sabi, parang, alam ko, okay sila sa quality control. Pero I didn't expect this many layers of
Dito bina-burn test yung mga amplifier nila.
But this station is only internal electronics factory.
Oh.
Probably as they will go to next step, you assembly preamps, back panel together. So it was this internal QC test for the electronics factory.
X-ray on.
Oscilloscope. Oscilloscope yan.
Ang tawag?
Oscilloscope.
Oscilloscope.
Ayan o. Pag ano ng mga waveform. Kung equal yung distribution ng waveform ng electricity.
So, how would you know kung tama yung waveform?
Waveform na test niya kung yung equal ng sa bawat XLR input.
Tama.
Tama yung output na sound.
Power transistor na nilalagay.
For the VX.
Etong mga to ay para sa mga VX model. Pansin ko dito hindi uso yung kwentuhan sa mga worker. Talagang ano lang, focus lang sa ginagawa nila. So dito sila mahihinang, hindi sila inihinang isa-isa. So lahat ng parts na ilalagay sa PCB, dito nahihinang. Tignan nyo ganun kalaki yung transformer nyo. Halos gaplato.
Eh, kung gawin mong matay, maguduling ka.
Mas marami pang error.
Oo.
Ayun na, baby girl, ginagawa ang
Gender reveal. Di ba?
gender reveal.
Pagkapanganak siya.
So, doon yung
Sometimes kailangan na mag-conform sa mga standards lalo sa ibang bansa.
This is where they do the quality check for the speakers.
So for example, that one is a soft spring test. So mainly for the metal parts. You know, the metal parts is if we're working outdoors, you will be very easy to get rusted. You must make sure the materials and the coating can stand for the certain time you want. So this is a test can help us to set the standard for the metal part coating. So this is some like a high temperature, low temperature test. You know, our products is still in the whole world. Some area could be very cold, some area could be very hot. So we must make sure our product can be surviving in this different area. So our standard is our products could be working very well at the minus 20 and up to 50 degrees.
Marlon, alam ko na kung bakit hindi bumibigay yung ano mo. Di ba may minose ka na nakabigat sa araw?
Yes.
Pwede talaga pong...
So, designed and tested to this task.
So that is we call rating test. Rating test is very important for installation. For example, we do the line rig. The line with the rigging system, we will do the test to make sure one single point can afford 10 times of the product self-weight. So that is dropping test. You know, sometimes when we do the transportation, so the products that could be dropped from the truck. So we do the dropping test from the lift up to certain height and drop it freely to make the product still safe, no damage.
Company na ginagamit yun sa line na rin. Yun yung pang-support nila yan. Sila kabit-bit nila namin.
Dito sa area na to ng Beta 3, ginagawa yung iba-ibang testing ng mga product para ma-assure nila yung durability. Meron silang salty spray test, lalo na sa mga venue na malalapit sa dagat. Environmental test. Yan. Meron silang, syempre, pinaka-common, drop test, no? Slide drop test, at saka yung pull test. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung ibang mga speaker may mga sabitan. So, kailangan daw 10 times nung bigat nung speaker, kaya niyang buhatin ang sarili niya. So, ganyan kabusisi ang pag-manufacture ni Beta 3 sa kanyang mga speaker. Ito, nakikita ko to sa internet.
Not any company has an anechoic
Actually-
chamber.
Stay in the always noisy environment. When you are in the mom's stomach, you are in the noisy environment. If no noise, you will feel not so good, not so well.
Iba nga yung dating ng boses nyo.
Di ba flat na flat?
Iba, oh. Yes.
Yeah, love feedback. Yes.
Kahit sumigaw ka rito ba, hindi lalabas.
Halika, sara natin yung pinto.
Tignan mo, nasa side ko siya. Parang condenser yung nadidinig ko.
Try with the door closed. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Walang mababaliw ah.
黄先生，就拉着那两个把手，往出拉，门上。
这个啊。
对。哎，一会儿打开啊，你不要问问题。
Hello. Shucks. Bakit tumahimik tayo lahat?
Hi.
Yung parang iba yung dating ba, no? Yung boses mo.
Oo,
Parang-
ibang-iba yung
Parang
tunog.
nandun lang.
Parang nasa ikaw lang yung nakakarinig.
Oo. Wala
Eh,
Hindi hindi
For sure, di manonotice sa ano. Hindi,
feedback sa,
hindi manonotice sa dito sa kuha ng video yung
ikaw lang yung kausap mo yung
yung
sarili
tunog.
mo.
Pagka nandito ka sa actual na area na to, parang nasa loob ng isang malaking paano ba i-describe ito?
Kumbaga yung sound
Yan.
niya kasi
Sound.
salita ka, madudurog na magdudurog yung
Tignan mo habang nagsasalita si Lucha Max. Iba yung pandinig namin eh. Basta iba yung
黄先生
tunog.
不要摸那
Walang
个东西。
walang
对，摸了一下会
echo. Parang filtered yung tunog niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong exact term
Kasi
na
sa daming ano
sasabihin
niya,
ko eh. Tingnan mo.
naka-soundproof. Talagang yung music na
完了。
等一下再这，一下再弄。你们先
啊，对，看一下。你给他介绍一下，这能测什么呀？这个低音能测什么呀？这个东西。
就是是什么？
啊，
就是 TS 参数，这些麻烦的参数，TS 参数这些，还有那个悬吊系统，就是悬挂系统的它的那个对称系统，
Neo driver nila.
还有失真
12 LB.
它不是一个扫描。
的位移，就是说音圈在那个浮层的位移。
Ang ganda niya.
So this system is from Germany. This is a very advanced system to help the R&D guys or QC guys to control the quality about new products, also the products online. So this system can test the parameters of the woofer very specifically. Also, it has a scan system. You know, before for the woofer, you have the something like we call the software, the moving part. When the woofer has the distortion, normally we judge it based on our experience before. But if you have this system can help you to get the results. Where is the distortion?
This is marketing.
Marketing, sales. So in China, we are one of the most important cinema audio system player. So we do a lot of installation in China for the cinema market. We have the full range of the products. You know, cinema, you have the bass, you have the main speaker, you have the surrounding. Also now you have the Optimus, you have the singing. Also, we have all different kind of product, from small one to big one.
This is what they develop for the military.
Yes, this is a very special products. Yes. So this could be put on the heavy truck for army.
Yes, I've seen also a kind of horn.
Yeah.
Noise, crowd control,
It's
right?
very loud. So this one, the transfer, but only in the middle range for the vocal. So probably can transfer some say 2.5 kilometers away.
How about those two guys?
Oh, this is portable one. Portable one just for something that can, if you have the hygrometer, if you want to, for example, if you want to hear something, hi guys, come here. Yes. So this is a
Military grade.
waterproof.
Waterproof.
You can throw anywhere if you can throw this into water.
It will float.
Yes, it's no problem. It's very special product for army.
Ito yung mga ilan lang sa mga project installed nila na mga arena, stadium. Mga pang cinema.
不是里面是，不是符合我的，我也什么要求，我们也要求。所以设计里面设计，然后听感，你设。这个听感完了之后，你设完了就行了。
May market pa sa akin.
是自己做的，谁做的？自己做的。
Kumbaga, nasa
人家的。
BL. Iba yung lambot eh. Pang social eh. Tsaka yung effect na ano siya, pang hotel eh. May pasok na dati kami nito, TLA 3-way to eh. Cardioid, low frequency.
Cardio yun.
Tapos mid, parang, ayan, mid-low. Tsaka, kaya 3-way siya pero compact. Passively crossed yung high-end mid.
Audio Technology Exhibition.
Nandito na tayo sa showroom. And here are some of their products.
This one has pressure
Okay.
for stadiums,
Okay.
for outdoor.
RS series, dami pa ng product po yun. Ang isa rin. RS series, S series,
Brother.
BW series.
Why it is named Frog? Why it is named Frog?
Frog. It means frog.
Means frog. Literally frog.
You sell, we sell.
Frog series, then time zero.
Loud.
Now should be okay. Just
Oh. TW na monitor. Mga line array. Ang dami nilang ganito. Point source.
Heater.
Ang ganda nito sa bahay. THA wala nito sa atin. Okay din ito. Mga pang cinema. Pang indoor. Pero ang ano niya, ang payat nung design ng box niya. May mga mixer sila dito. Meron sila, actually yung gumagana doon sa bungad, sa reception. Ganito yung mixer na nakalagay. Ang ganda nito sa bahay. Oh. MS4. Ito yung mga nire-recommend ko sa mga simbahan. Pero yung mahaba nito, MS8 at saka 16 ang meron sa atin yan sa Pinas.
So that was specially designed for the theater. You know, in charter, I don't know how to in the Philippines, but in charter, the theater always have the highest standard for the sound system. Because for some performance, they have very low distortion, there are very low noise environments. They need the sound. Also, they need a big dynamic. Very low distortion. These three models, basically components same, but this person is different.
The one this
Yes.
person. Yeah.
Nag-drawing ng Forerunner? Oo. Pasado na ba? Very careful.